Hey there! I bet you're pretty good at typing, am I right? But wait a minute. I mean, what if you could increase your speed and your accuracy? No, I'm afraid there's no hack for this, and it's going to take some practice and memorizing the keys. We call this skill touch typing. And when you have this skill, you're going to get your work done a whole lot faster and with higher quality. Basically, touch typing simply means that you know where to position your hands on a keyboard. You've correctly memorized where your fingers need to be placed, and you simply extend your fingers from the home position to reach the other keys. That's it. So before you begin your course that will make you an expert typer, let's ask a few questions. How well can you construct new original sentences without looking at your keyboard? How well can you copy content from another source with a low level of errors? With what kinds of words do you tend to make the most mistakes with? Is it words with capital letters? What about numbers? Do you have any problems with punctuation? By the end of this course, you should be able to type content from other sources without looking at your keyboard, with very few mistakes, and also increase your speed. You'll also be able to construct new sentences keeping your eyes on the screen without having to resort to view your keyboard. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started now, and before you know it, you'll be a top-notch typer.